It's hetero day. Wait, hey, hey, hey. It's hetero day. Be an extra every old day. Yeah. I need a new theme song. I'm a musician, for God's sake. What did I just do? Good to see you tonight. It is Monday night. It is my technical day off. I'm not wearing any makeup right now because I did a lot of cleaning and organizing today, computer work, some self-care. I just did one of those K-beauty weird looking Hannibal Lecter masks, so I'm feeling radiant. I also have a huge announcement for us today. Guess what finally came in? The vanity lights! These are the VANSKY vanity mirror lights. Meet different self. So let's meet different self, shall we? I am not gonna lie, I did open these and I took a look at what was inside the box, so I didn't, I can't have a full first impression here, but at least I can show you what the kit comes with. Whew! Instruction sheet, protective foam, 3M VHB adhesive dots, more instructions. Here they are. It looks like a dozen Easter eggs. Perfect. Wonderful. They looked so much bigger in the ad though. What the heck? Yeah. Oh, look at this. I didn't open this yet. Oh my gosh, this is cool. So, okay, it comes with some extra twisty ties for, I'm guessing, all this extra wire. I pull it out of the foam and it already has 3M dots on the back of each light bulb as well. So what that means is that these are extras for when the fog on the mirror is too much for these little things to bear. These are extremely light. I mean, I could probably play ping pong with them or something. This is crazy. So awesome. I'm so happy about these. Whew. All right, here's what we're trying to do. We're trying to mitigate these horrible overhead vanity lights. I think it's time to go through and replace the little glass animals that are living in this terrarium here. I've got a little fox, teensy tiny fox, a bunny, and a couple of little garden snails that live in here. Here we go. Garden snail, baby fox, baby bunny, on a bridge and under a bridge. I'm guessing that they just hook right on here. So what I was talking about is I'm wondering if we're going to get any kind of reflection flashback from this vanity mirror here while the vanity lights are getting stuck up on this portion of the mirror. I would much rather have it on here than have to extend over to here for obvious reasons. I don't want wires all over the place. And here is the AC adapter with the USB charging port. This other one right now actually has the camera plugged into it. It's already spaghetti. Great. So I'm going to go ahead and put these up. I'm going to make it so the USB goes on this side. And just stick it up here. Just like that. And boom. It's on. Great. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these, and I will be back in a couple of minutes when they're all done. Here they are. This one's getting hot already because of the Scentsy thing that's underneath it, so I'll just go ahead and shut that off right now. Here they are. So the first thing that I notice is that all you can see are wires. So I'm going to have to figure out how to get rid of those. But I think I wound them pretty taut around each bulb, and that's pretty easy to do there. This is very cool. So in videos past, here's what we had. There's the natural lighting, and yes, my face is that red and discolored in real life. So let me step back a little bit and I'll show you what happens with these overhead lights. Let's see if I can trick it into doing it right now. Maybe, possibly, yeah, it just did it. So it goes from this blue cast to this yellow cast. These things apparently have 10 different lighting settings. So here we go. I'm gonna just press the button and turn them on. Oh my God, these are great. Turn them up. I'm gonna turn them all the way up. Wow. All right, let me turn them down. These are great. Oh, this is awesome. Blinking. Why are they blinking? Yes, we do have some flashback from that vanity mirror. So I'm probably gonna have to take this out and get rid of it because I don't use this mirror anyway. I'm thinking I'm just gonna turn this into a poster. It's like I have a million ring lights. I just shut the overhead lights off and this is what we're left with. I could not be happier. All right, I'm hearing bedtime happening. All right, good night. There's been a clothing change, sorry. It's been a few days since I have been able to actually finish the lighting situation in this room. Let me go ahead and turn it on and we can tell the difference. Yay! I'm gonna turn it down and we'll turn it up all the way. Oh, I just love it so much. And let me show you, I'm gonna hang up my thing like Mr. Rogers, hang up my sweater. And let me show you how this all turned out because it's really, really cute. And at Steven's behest, there are now plants in my bathroom. Well, here it is. It's so pretty. There's my coffee cup. I'm thinking about putting this contact paper inside my medicine cabinet because my medicine cabinet has way too much in it and needs to be organized and prettied up. But I put that, I found this at the Dollar Tree yesterday, and I also found the contact paper at the Dollar Tree. It comes in 2 pieces, and I took a really, really long, hot, steamy shower in the middle of the night because I had a migraine last night, so it's already peeled back a little bit, but it's okay, it was $1. You can't really, really tell. Yes, you can. Doesn't matter. Anyway, I think it's really cute. So there they are, and Steven said to me, well, why don't you just take some flowers to cover up all the wires that were hanging off all these bulbs. So that's exactly what I did, and I think it looks really pretty. A little bit is falling down at the top, I gotta fix that, but look, I took the excess vine and I put it down like around the mirror and into the sink. It's really pretty, and still haven't changed out my little terrarium yet, but that's okay, I'll do that soon. So there it is, fully lit up with lilacs and different kinds of little wildflowers and stuff. I forget what they're all called. I threw away all the tags because I don't really care. Sorry, I'm already booked. All of these flowers and all of these ivy vines all came from the Dollar Tree. And I just took them and I tore some of the pieces apart and wrapped them around certain bulbs to hide certain parts of the wire that were really sticking out. I took special care to keep the leaves off of the Scentsy so that when I turn the Scentsy on, it won't burn and it won't melt all the wax into the plants because they are made out of fabric. Yay, it's so pretty. So when you walk in, it's like this beautiful secret garden now. I didn't think I would like plants in here, but I really do love plants in here. It's gorgeous. So there it is, guys. I really, really hope that you enjoy it. I absolutely love it. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Please, if you haven't already, make sure to click the like button down below. Make sure to hit subscribe and hit the bell because I would love to see you here week after week. I'm really having a lot of fun filming these. I am getting ready to film another one, so I took everything off the door. And I hope that you have a great day. I'm going to go do my hair, get ready for our house party today, a little house party gig, and we'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.